Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. Today I'm shopping at Burlington, and here's a sneak peek of some of the items I'm going to share with you in this video. They have super cute graphic t-shirts always. They always have cute accessories and hoodies. So I'm going to start out in the clothes, and then I'm going to end up in the handbags. Because I haven't showed you the handbags at Burlington recently. So this SpongeBob shirt is really cute. I like the colors on it. But my previous Burlington video was of the hoodies, because they're starting to get out their fall items. But of course it is still summer. But at this point, it might be smart to just wait for these clothes to go on clearance. And Burlington has the red tag clearance, and Ross has the purple tag clearance. And usually like in September, they put the summer stuff on clearance. And if you're looking to like boost your summer wardrobe, it's probably best to wait until like September, and you can get everything on clearance. And then you could just put it away with your summer clothes. And next year you'll have like all these new clothes you could wear, because you know it's kind of late in the season. So yeah, but I know in the fall I always wear hoodies and UGG boots. That's my staple. And that usually don't start till like November from where I live, because it's usually warm until like November. And even in December, there have been days where it was warm, like warm enough to wear shorts. But January and February are usually really cold. So January and February are definitely my UGG boot months. And I have so many UGG boots, but they always come out with cuter ones every year that make me want to buy them. So that's why I have so many. But that's like my staple, UGG boots and hoodies. And then in the summer, I like to wear slides. I usually wear t-shirts or flowy short sleeve tops. And I like Bermuda shorts. I know that's not like real trendy. People like short shorts, but I'm not a short person. So I like Bermuda, and Macy's had these Bermudas one year. They were the brand Celebrity Pink. That's the name of the brand. And they were so comfortable. I have a few pairs of those. I've tried to get more, but I don't see the brand at Macy's anymore. I might have to like Google it. But they're like stretchy and comfortable. That's why I always say, if you find something you like, you should just get it in every color, because you might not ever find that again, or they might discontinue it.